Amazon Prime Air. Amazon began using small drones to send small purchases to customers in the UK in 2016. And this can be considered a major breakthrough in the use of drones. At the moment, the drones deliver purchases weighing up to 2.3 kilograms, and they do so in half an hour. Amazon's standard flying messenger service is a helicopter with 8 propellers and a computerized control system that's installed in the center and top of the frame. The maximum flight altitude for the drones developed by the company is 120 meters. The speed of the device in the air reaches 80 kilometers per hour, but the design and features continue to improve. The so-called drone tower is also being actively developed, from where the drones will fly with the orders and then return.